this video we'll be looking at the Note Reveal activity found in the Lesson Activity Toolkit. Let's have a look at the example they give us. The idea behind the Note Reveal is it simply reveals a word or a sentence or a bit of text. So the students or the teacher will click on or press the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it reveals a note. If you press it again, it will disappear. The other thing to keep in mind with this activity is that it doesn't have to be pressed in order. You can press any button. So the students could come up and reveal different numbers, whichever number they want, or if you wanted it to flow, you could click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's have a look see how the Note Reveal activity works. On the front, on the right hand side, you can see the question mark. If we click on that, that explains how we can use this individual activity. We then have the reset, which will hide all the notes for us, and then we have edit, where we can go and change our notes. Here we are able to go and change the sentence or the word by simply clicking on or dragging over, and then we can change it. You can also change the bullet points. They can either be numbers or letters or dashes. It's entirely up to you. When we click OK, you'll see that they form in those patterns there. And you'll see that it brings up random colors. Let's go see where we find the Note Reveal activity. We click on the Gallery tab, click on the plus next to Lesson Activity Toolkit, and if you want to go find the example that we just looked at, you can click in the example section. But we're going to look under the activities, scroll down till we find the Note Reveal. And when we click on it, you'll see you have the 6 different options. They're all the same, but the colors are different. You can either double click or drag it in. I'm going to make it a little smaller so it fits in. Now, when we're editing it, one thing we can use is text that we already have. You'll see that the block changes, and when I let go, it puts the text in. This is great if you've got text on a worksheet or you've copied it from the internet. You can paste it on the notebook page and then drag it into the order that you want. Remember, you can mix up this order, so you can go and change these numbers so that they are not sequential, and the children must come up and press them, so they're randomized. But it does work well for a sequential process or revealing of steps. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.